Alright, today we're going to be showing you our arsenal. 2 Nerf guns are Andrew's and the rest are mine. And, yeah, so let's get going. Andrew, which ones do you want to start off with?
Let's go over here.
This is the foam series. I have 2 swords, a Zombie Strike and a Nerf Elite. The Nerf Elite I've had for a while, so that's why it's looking like that. And this one I just got like last year. So these are pretty cool things to use. I like them. So let's move on to the next one. This is the Zombie Strike series. I only have 1, but that's my fault. It is the Nerf Zombie Strike crossbow. Still works. I'll show you right here. It does work, but I did take this part off. I cut the string. And yeah, it looks way better without it. So if you don't want to do it, that's fine. But to you people who do want to do it, if you're okay with it, I do recommend it. Alright, so let's move on. This is the Mega Series. So this is my Nerf Thunderbow. Got this for Christmas a year ago. And I got this Magnus at Target about a year ago. So I really like the Mega Guns. I recommend you to get them. Any Mega Gun is like a really good gun. I like the Magnus the best because it's like a shotgun but a pistol. It has a good firepower. So yeah, but this one still goes long range. And so this is the Nerf Elite and the Nerf. And this is the N-Strike Elite and the N-Strike. Right here I have the Rough Cut 2x4. It's a very nice gun, still works, all perfect. So yeah. Here, this one is my friend Andrew's, who is doing the camera. Andrew, you can show your face if you want to. You don't? Okay, he doesn't want to, but this is his gun. It is the N-Strike Elite Rapid Strike CS18. So yeah, it doesn't have a magnet, but it is an automatic gun. So yeah. Yeah, but it does have extending stock. Yeah. It has flip up sights. It just has this really cool sight that I've never seen before.
Here, let's show them.
And this is the sight that it has. You can flip up this one to make the last one. Yeah. So this is the N-Strike Raven. It is an electric automatic, but it's not. It's a semi-automatic electric because you have to take your finger off every time. So you don't just hold it down and the bullets come out. And it did use the glow bullets. I still have one of the glow bullets right here. Nope, right here. There's a light in here that turns on. If you can't see that, here you go. And it lights up the darts. And whenever you shoot them out in the dark light, they glow. So that's the Raven. I really like this Raven gun. I got that about 2 years ago for Christmas. This is the Recon Mark II, or MK2 for some of you people who like to call it that. And yes, it's the new Recon Mark II modulus. This part comes off. Barrel comes off. I mean, not barrel. Yeah, the barrel comes off. the stock comes off. Very good stock. It is cock action though, so you have to cock it every time you shoot. But yeah, I got this about a week ago, like last Saturday. This is Sunday in America. And here's one of the last guns in the arsenal that we have. And this is the Nerf Strike, not Strike Elite. I forgot the name for this. Oh yeah, this is the Nerf Maverick Rev 6. That's the Maverick Rev 6. And yeah, cock action pistol. Kind of hard to cock though, cause it, yeah, shoots pretty good. This is a really good pistol if you can find it. I recommend it. I recommend this gun too, and some of the other guns. Well, I'll tell you all the recommendations at the end of the video, and all I'll show you the recommendations at the end of the video. So let's move on though. This is a Busby sniper rifle. It is the Range Master. So you know. If you didn't know, this is the Range Master again. It has pretty good. It's pretty light, pretty cheap plastic though. Mine doesn't really work anymore, but you can still. It's a still good gun, but whenever I got this gun, it was kind of how hard you pull the trigger. That's how far the bullets went. Pretty good scope. Yeah, I like the crosshairs, make it good for aiming, and it has a stand, so you can just like snipe off the sides of cars and stuff. If you're into Nerf wars and stuff. And this is another Nerf sniper that we painted black, and painted the tip bright orange. Yeah, it's a really good gun. This is Andrew's, by the way. Same with this one. The Rapid Strike and this one are both Andrew's. But yeah, it's got a pretty good trigger. Got a scope. It's pretty modified. And yeah, so he spray painted this black with me about 3 weeks ago. We're really happy with this. It's really good. So this gun is really good. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what type of bullets go to it, because I've never seen the bullets. So that's all of the arsenal that we have. I do have a sharpshooter, the white pistol, white, orange, and gray, but it is being modified right now by one of my other friends. So I don't really think I'm ever going to show that, because it's just a normal pistol, so I don't think it's going to be that exciting for you guys. But yeah, this is like, all of these are really good guns. I mean, they don't shoot as far as like your super powerful, super modified guns, because most of these aren't modified. This is the only one we have right now that is modified. This black one that's Andrew's, and we have the other one in the process of being modified. So that's my arsenal. Some of them are Andrew's, some of them are mine. But now it's time for recommendations. I've already recommended you this, the Recon, and the Maverick. I'm going to recommend you this, I'm basically gonna recommend you all of these guns. Actually, I'm recommending you all of the guns that are in this set except for that one Busby. Because the Busby is pretty cheap plastic, which makes you scared of making it. So I would not recommend the Busby, but everything else I would recommend. The crossbow I would recommend. All of this I would recommend. The swords I would definitely recommend, and this I would recommend. And I have one more thing out in my garage that I want to show you guys, but I also want to recommend it to you. So this is my garage, and it's been a pretty rainy day, and we have this. These are Nerf Super Soakers. We have these two, and we have a pistol right here. Whoa, that's kind of scared me. So those are the Super Soakers. This one right here is Andrew's, and these two are mine. And I also, let me check if there's any more Nerf guns in here. Nope. And I also have this shield that comes with the dagger with the Enforce. It is the Enforce series, but I can't find the dagger that comes with it in the box. But it has teeth marks in it because I have 3 dogs, and I've had this for a while. So this is a really good shield. I like it. Pretty neat size. Perfect for me because I'm small, and it's perfect for Andrew because he's small. Adjustable Velcro strap. So yeah, that's basically everything we have. And if you do, we're probably gonna do more videos, me and Andrew, but some might be Andrew on the screen. Yeah, we'll also do vlogs and stuff, but sometimes Andrew is gonna be on the screen and I'm gonna be doing camera, and sometimes he's gonna be doing camera like today. But we're not only gonna be doing Nerf guns. We're sometimes gonna be doing like my
your name is here.